Maghanap sila ng Luna.
Joyce Curfew.
Oh, Joyce.
Now Ramos, number 2, dribbling ni Wall. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Dire-diretso, jump shot by Nakmak. Yes, one shot by Ramos. Number 23 pass to number 3. Lasaleta now naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to number 11 to 23 to number 3. Naghahanap ng papasahan si Lasaleta. Last 1 minute. Yes, basket by Ramos. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute for the second quarter. Isang minuto na lang po. Lasaleta now. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 23. 23 to press. Intercept by. There's a foul. 40 seconds left. 40 seconds. 40 seconds
Foul
left
on number
for the
11.
second quarter.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
40 seconds na lang po ang natitira sa ikalawang yugto ng labanang ito. No basket by Bartol. There's a chance for a second free throw by number 8. Bartol.
Dodong, galingan mo.
Galingan mo, Dodong. Bisaya man ini. No basket. Rebound by 21 remaining traffic. There's lost touch by heavy, very heavy guarded. Hindi makapasok si 21. 34 seconds left. Near 3 points, no basket. Rebound by 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Robbing violation. 13 seconds left. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds left counted by
Foul on number 21.
foul. 5 seconds left. 5 seconds.
21, third personal foul.
5 seconds left for the second quarter. There's a
Score 37-33.
two free throw by 22 Laurenti now. A temporal free throw. Basket by 3. Wala na pong oras. Katatapos lang po ng second quarter. Now at
Official score 38-35 in favor of Mabuhay.
33.